pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
Plantain and Brazil loaf. For this I'm using 200 grams of self-rising flour, 150 grams of butter, 200 grams of light soft brown sugar, 50 grams of chopped Brazil nuts, 2 eggs, 2 plantain and a teaspoon of baking powder. For the icing I'm using 1 tablespoon of honey, 75 grams of icing confectioner's sugar and some desiccated coconut. First, chop and mash the plantains. Sift the baking powder into the flour. Beat the eggs. Mix the eggs into the flour. Now mix in the plantain. Soften the butter and mix that in too. Mix in the sugar. Not forgetting the Brazil nut, of course, which I just did. Beat with a wooden spoon until evenly blended. Take a couple of minutes. Thoroughly blended. Grease a 2-pound loaf tin, line with baking paper and then grease the paper. Now put the mixture into the tin. Level the top. Bake for an hour, hour and a quarter at gas mark 3, 325 degrees Fahrenheit, 170 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 150 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. To make the icing, sift the icing sugar into a bowl and then add the honey. Mix the honey in with a metal spoon. Now stir in just enough water to make a thick pouring consistency. Put the water in a little bit at a time. Start off with 2 teaspoons. Something like this. Put the cake on a rack with a plate underneath to catch the drips and pour the icing over it. Try to cover all the loaf. Smooth it over. Now sprinkle with desiccated coconut. If you don't like desiccated coconut, you can leave this stage out. Leave until completely set. And now for the taste test. Break a bit off. That was scrumptious. They say plantains aren't as sweet as bananas, but they are in my recipes. Excellent. Recommended.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.